Okay, so I did a video earlier today, but all the sky is falling down. Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla is no longer going to accept Bitcoin for Teslas because there's concerns about all the coal uh, that is used basically in China as far as mining goes. So, I mean, you can see the article here, it lost 6% in an hour. And the tweet is this tweet here. Tesla suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We're concerned about the rapidly increase of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which is the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels. You can read this. So it says we're looking for other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy transactions. So this, Bitcoin is going to boil the oceans argument has been debunked over and over again. You can see here, Pomp had already posted that 75% of the miners use renewable energy. Michael Saylor also weighed in on it. Nick Carter has, talked about this so many times. He has numerous articles on energy consumption. Um, Tesla is building a massive manufacturing facility in China. I would love to know where they're getting their energy for that. But I mean, Elon's more than welcome to have his comments. But I'm just here to do price action. So let's look at what we had. So earlier today, I did say that I'm not going to be full bullish until we break these upper levels, but that I expected that we would probably get in the 58 area. And then I also did comment that we were gonna have, so we had the CMF looking good. It was probably around, where was it? It was, I said you can draw an ascending triangle here, right here. So I said you can draw this ascending triangle, and I said that we could probably break out soon. And I can rewind where we were whenever I posted that video, so I can show you what was there. So let's see, let's play this back. Where's my playback? Replay. Let's go back to here. Okay. And then let's play this. Oh, no. I want to see the day develop. Nope, I don't want that. Let's do it on the 4-hour maybe. Probably, what time did I do that video? It was right around, it was within this, it won't let me do it. It was within this candle right here. Oh, it won't let me do it unless I do it on the daily. Didn't know that. Anyway, I know where it was. It was in this candle. Right here. It was right around a little bit after market open. Or no, it was like 9 right here. We were within this area right here, right around 9 o'clock. Is when I did it. So I did say we were a little bit lower on the descending triangle, but that I thought it would break up. Well, we broke down. And then so whenever we have this descending triangle, where's the target? It's where the breakdown is. And here's, I mean, look at that. It already hit the triangle target. We're within the channel. I said I was not really going to rely on it because I had the channel, and we can definitely trade within the channel. But we had a chart pattern or a pattern within another pattern, and we hit that mark. So that hit there. Could I have predicted that Elon was going to, tweet that? No, it's kind of surprising that price moved in such a manner. I said if we would have closed the day above 0.2, because we were way up here, I think we were like 0.18, then that would have been bullish. Well, that broke down, that failed. And even on the 4-hour, we were within this area. And this had already trended up. Yeah, we sold off a little bit, but it was good. It kind of found some support here, and then we broke down. Now we're going back up. But the important thing is I want to show this T sequential. It said we can come back here. I mean, this really needs to rally. This needs to be a green number. For this to be a green number, it would have to go 58,312 all in one day. Perfectly possible. News only affects price for a few days, 1 to 2 days. And then, price would go back up to its normal trend. So I have a mark right here. This is on the 4-hour, which is coming from here. But this is, that showed an area of retest right here. So we had this area here, which we are going to get a green number above this, and then we have this here. So we could come back down to the mid 40s, find some more support. I do not see it going below 40,000. I posted that months ago. We'll see if that stands. So yeah, we're still just ranging. I do want to show. We're ranging within the channel. We can look at the funding rate. That still hasn't gone negative yet, which I would definitely thought it would have gone negative. It went super negative on the 4-hour. That's definitely a buy signal. CMF is, at least for the intermediate, CMF is kind of starting to creep up. We'll see what happens here. The hour is probably severely over sold, and then daily, not yet. So we still could see some more moseying down on this lower trend area. We'll see what happens. Whenever Bitcoin price closed a month above the high, the previous all-time high, it's never even retested double the previous all-time high. So below 40, it's like it wouldn't be unheard. It's unheard of. Of all the data we have basically over the last decade. So we'll see. I do think this is probably. Historically, this is an amazing buying opportunity. Look how oversold this is. 4 hours oversold. We're in the area of support. But I want to show Ethereum because the TD sequential worked out perfectly on there as far as the retest goes. We can still see it on Bitcoin. Right here, we had an area on the daily that hadn't gotten retested right here, and it nailed it. That's where it found support. This has to close red, really, but it went there, found support, and Ethereum's already up back 3%. It lost 8%, so it's pretty much gained half of what it lost. So that's about it. That's CPI. Those CPI numbers affected the market today. Gold and silver had sold off. Bitcoin sold off. The market generally sold off, but silver and gold are already starting to rally, and they should. Bond rates also went up, as they should, with higher inflation. So just wanted to cover that real quick since we had the large sell-off. We're still within the channel. That's a big day. 12%, $7,000. But I still think we're mid-cycle, and we could see. This could be a larger cup and handle, or an inverted cup and handle, upside down cup and handle. Got to be mindful, but we're still within the channel. Not bullish until we break out, not bearish until we break down. But then I still see, if we break down, I don't even see any more than maybe a 10% drop from here, from the breakdown. Even though our breakdown target, what is this pullback already? So we pulled back even harder, 29%. So that's still within, our. I did say 15 to 25%. Thought we were rallying to break out. We got another 30% sell off. So this could be the bottom as far as buying the dip goes. We'll see the next couple of days. Like I said, news usually only affects price 1 to 2 days, and then the general trend will resume. The general trend has been sideways. So maybe the general trend is more sideways action. We can pull up I'll pull up the hash ribbons again because that's based on the daily. They're going flat. And then let's pull up the SAR real quick. We broke down. We had broken up. Weekly is 63. I'd like to see that price to rally and then break out. And that may not happen for another maybe 3 to 4 weeks. We might have even longer consolidation, right? We've already been consolidating basically for 3 months. This could be more, maybe 4 months. 4 months of consolidation. That'd be amazing. We get back to the top. we break out. So for the next leg up of this cycle, but appreciate it. And I felt like I just had to do that to, I'm not going to say Elon was responsible for it. It did. We already had a sell off. That probably just added a little bit of fuel to the fire, but we should see prices basically return to this norm, 53, 54, and then we'll see where we go from there. So appreciate it, and thanks for watching.